Hello everyone, this is Mrs. G. I wanted to talk about the Dropbox and this particular assignment that has to do with solving absolute value equations. Here's the delta math topics that you should do before doing this, or maybe depending on how your brain works, maybe you want to do this first before you go look at the delta math topics. Either or is just fine. But in this particular one, you're going to get completion points for doing the homework problems. And so the first thing you need to do is to download this homework. So you're going to double click on it. It's going to open up. Might be down in the bottom left corner. And then as you can see, this is going to be a worksheet that you're going to print. You can come to WSU Tech South Campus and print for free. You get $10 free for every semester, I believe, that it reloads every semester. So you can do that, or you can handwrite those problems neatly and solve them on a piece of paper. The answer key is right here, and it's just fine if you have to cross things out because maybe you had done them incorrectly. But I cannot stress to you enough that this topic comes again in college algebra and intermediate algebra. So you'll do intermediate algebra after this class, and maybe some of you need to go on to college algebra. So this is a really important topic to understand. So downloading the worksheet and copying the answers is not going to be good because you're going on, you're going to see it again, and they're probably going to go through it much quicker than we're doing at this time. If you do print out the sheet, you're going to need to take pictures of it and upload it to this Dropbox, which I'm going to show you how to do here in just a moment. Or you can use this app, it's free, called Genius Scan. I use it all the time, and you can batch many pages together. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4 pages and just keep taking pictures one after the other. Make sure you always view what you're going to send to me. So send it to yourself first and open it up and make sure all the sheets are showing. Don't upload with missing information because I'm going to grade what you give to me because you should be looking to see what you're sending me instead of me sending back to 30 students. So make sure that you spend your 20 seconds, email it to yourself to make sure it looks good. All right, so worksheet, work it out, answer key, check your work, circle your answers here, use this app or just take clear photos on your telephone. So let's take a look at how to do a Dropbox. Right here is the link itself to the Dropbox. I'm going to click on this. So what it's going to do is going to ask you to browse your local files. So I'm going to browse my local files on my computer and look for my pictures that I took using Genius Scan that had to do with this worksheet. So I'm going to go to my files, put an example of a Dropbox. This is Genius Scan. It does give you a bunch of letters and numbers, and I renamed it. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to hit open. And you're going to see that it has attached to this. And then I'm going to hit submit. If I want to delete what I have, I can say do not attach, and it says, are you sure? I'm like, yeah. So again, browse your local file. Remember where you put it on your phone or on your computer to be able to grab it. So real quickly, browsed it, found where I had it, clicked on it, opened it, and when I hit submit, it will attach it. And that's how you do a Dropbox. Thank you.